Do you want to quickly count how many sales happen in a certain region by a certain salesperson or based on multiple conditions? In Excel, the CountIF function is your best friend. It helps you count cells that meet more than one condition, and it's the way more powerful than a simple CountIF. Let's see how. Here we have our sales data. Our data is distributed by sales region, salesperson, sales amount, date and status. Now let's suppose we have given a condition that we need to find the number of sales made by John in East region. Now salesperson John and East are two conditions. Based on this, we need to calculate the number of sales. Let's see how. Here I will type the formula, which is CountIFs. Then I will give the first criteria range. The first criteria range is region. I will click here, Control Shift down arrow key, and our range will be selected. I will press the comma and then I will give my criteria. Here our criteria is East. Then we have to find number of sales in each region by salesperson. So first we will select the criteria range 2 of the salesperson. Here I will click, then Shift Control down arrow key, press comma, and then I will give my condition. In this case the condition is John. Salesperson name will be John. Our formula is complete, and I'm going to close the parenthesis and hit enter. And you see that Excel has given us that the number of sales made by John in East region is 4. If you want to make it validate, you can go to East region, select John, and you can see that we have got the 4. Now let's suppose we have given the same condition by another check that we need to count sales by John in East region and where the status of the sales should be paid. So let's see how we can type this formula. CountIFs. Similarly, we will give the first criteria range. In this case is a region. Shift Control down arrow key. Criteria range East. Then salesperson. Control Shift down. Criteria is John. Then sales status. I will give this criteria range. Control Shift down. The criteria range will be paid. Now our all conditions are complete, and I am going to close the parenthesis, hit enter. Now you can see that John in East region made total 4 sales. From the 4 sales, 3 of them were paid. So our formula is accurate, and that's all for today. If you want to see more videos like this, please follow and subscribe so that I can bring more useful content like this. See you in the next one. Goodbye.